Hello. So, what is the purpose of human life? The purpose of human existence is to purify the mind through the process called virtue cultivation. Man by nature is pure, but in the process of living in this world, we acquired impurities such as anger, resentment, bitterness, shame, fear, grudges. So these are the impurities in the mind, and the effect or influence our thoughts, our actions, and our speech. So the process of cultivation or virtue cultivation is to eliminate these impurities so that when these impurities are eliminated, the true self, the true awareness, which is pure awareness or undefiled human mind, manifests. So this is really the purpose of human existence. You know, pain is difficult for human beings. That's why we tend to avoid pain. We tend to escape from pain. We tend to resist pain. Or we tend to protect ourselves from pain. And on the other hand, pleasure is something that human beings want. That's why they seek pleasure. We try to add more pleasure in our current pleasure, or we attempt to maintain pleasure. So these are human tendencies in regards to pain and pleasure. So we develop mentalities, mindsets on how to avoid pain, on how to pursue pleasure, on how to acquire more pleasure or amplify pleasure. So that's why we develop selfish impurities like anger, shame, resentment, bitterness. Say for example, shame. Shame is about avoidance of pain, of humiliation.